The size of a group affects its overall performance. Smaller groups of 5 to 9 members, an average of 7, are typically faster and better for action-taking activities, for situations where things need to get done right now. Large groups of more than 12 people are good for finding information, confirming facts, giving their ideas, and solving problems. But large groups are more prone to social loafing and free riding, among other challenges. Social loafing is the tendency for people to put forth less effort when they are working collectively with other people than they normally would when working alone. One of the reasons people loaf is because their individual contribution is more difficult to identify when they're working with other people. Think about the last group project you completed. What you submit to the professor is a group effort, and it may not be clear which parts were completed by whom. Free riding is a special kind of social loafing. It occurs when people put forth less effort because they believe other people will make up for their lack of effort. In other words, they're going to get a free ride by doing less than they normally would, by depending on their group members to pick up extra work. Fortunately, researchers have identified a number of strategies that managers can use to minimize the tendency for people to engage in social loafing and free riding. One thing they can do is make sure each person's contribution is clear, and then evaluate individuals as well as the group as a whole. In group projects, professors could ask each individual group member to submit their contribution or label their contribution so that it doesn't get lost. Another thing managers can do is increase people's identification with the group so that the group and its goals become more important to the individual. Make sure to set clear and challenging goals for individuals and the group, and ask them to participate in that setting process. And then do what you can to increase individuals' involvement. Get them excited about their work. In the next section, we're going to look at group cohesion and performance.